With everything inspected where we want it to be, we had to take it apart one more time because now we're at the final stage.
It is a dial with an SUV going downhill. That is your downhill assist.
Good afternoon to Fire Jeep and welcome to another episode. Today we are with my new friend Serena and Duraliner, and we're actually having a new treat installed today. As you can see on Greg Jaworski's Jeep, we've already got some, how are we going to call it, like body armor or paneling installed. But Serena's going to help us explain a little bit more about it since it's a new product to me. So Serena, what can you tell us about your product?
Well, Duraliner is launching a new product this fall. It is a thin gauge plastic, very similar to the bed liners that we make, pickup truck bed liners, but this is installed on the outside. It is attached to the body by removable cams. However, the body armor can stand up to 60 miles per hour. So when you're going between outlanding and uplanding trips, you don't have to take it off unless you're going on the interstate. The beauty of this is that it protects your Jeep from pinstriping, rock dings, and anything else that you run into on the trail. Again, coming out in November, we actually worked with a company in Australia to bring it to the United States, so we're very, very excited.
It's wonderful, great to hear, and we're so excited about this product. As I mentioned, that we got Greg's Jeep already done. You can see the V-notch is right behind us. It's the next to get done. And in the garage, that is George from Dirt Monkey. He's gonna get done as well. And we're gonna show you a little here and there on some installs. It's like super easy to install. I'll show you a couple clips. And then when we're ready, more likely tomorrow, we're gonna go out in the desert and give it a nice little test. So hang in there, we'll be right with you. Alrighty, so here we are. We finally made it to our destination spot. We're back at in Moapa Valley, going to do a little trip again in 13-mile loop, and all of our Jeepers, including V-Notch, and we have Greg Jaworski's little red, I think he calls it Cheech, and of course George for Dirt Monkey. They're getting all ready, putting that armor back on. Just like Serena had mentioned yesterday, they handle up to 60 miles an hour, but the way we drive on the freeways over here, anywhere from 65 up to 80 miles an hour, it was better just to take them off and put it back on before we hit the trail. So that's what we're doing right now. As we explore, we're going to do a little bit more than just drive around. We're going to look for areas that we can actually brush up against whatever tree or rock or whatever we find, to see how well that this product actually protects the body of the Jeep. And that's the whole purpose of this test or experiment. So as we get ready, we're going to go ahead and make it to the trailhead. Then we're going to air down, and then we're going to keep on going. It's going to be a fun ride. Oh, alrighty, we are all about set to go here. We pretty much aired down. We're going to scout around for about an hour. They're going to fly some drones to find a prime location to test this new product. And then we're definitely going to have fun taking these people out there, getting it done. Patty, is there anything that you wanted to add to this?
No, I just wanted to, well, no, and then I'm going to talk. Just a lot of planning's gone on with the company, the manufacturer, between us, and scouting the runs and giving them all the information. And of course, everything that they wanted to get done and accomplish and see. So it's been an effort, and we're finally here, and we're really super excited to be part of it.
Yeah, that we definitely are, and everything works out well. We hopefully have made a new friend and a possible partnership for at least hopefully a sponsorship for the Jeep Club.
That would be great.
And if they offer any affiliation, I'd love to become a member of that and to help you get the product. All right, so let's get on going. We're gonna find a cool spot, and we'll see all the best shots we can get. Alrighty, oh my goodness, it's been a long day. We spent about 10 hours with these people as far as getting on the trailhead, getting to the area that we're supposed to take certain shots and clips and videos and whatnot. And they brought a whole camera crew and sound crew to take their shots, because what we did with them, I may have mentioned this earlier, is to try and help them push their product. It's an American company who partnered with an Australian company that makes a product and now bringing it to the States. And of course, we went ahead and test fitted it on our Jeeps, and we took them out to the trail, and we did as much as we could for whatever they wanted to do. My gosh, it was such a long day between video shoots and photo shoots and interviews and testimonials, and we got a lot done for them. And they, you know, of course, us as a Jeep Club, we're more than happy to help and volunteer all our time. And it was a whole long day, like I said, about 10 hours, and we finally got it done. But it's gonna be phenomenal. As soon as I get a link for this product, I'm gonna provide it for you. But nonetheless, it is all done. We got off the trailhead because it's like blacker than anything. So we just drove up to the local gas station to air up because of all the light that's around me right now. But all in all, we had a great time. It is Duraliner, the same ABS type material that's used to make those drop-in bed liners, but it's an actual body armor in a sense where it helps prevent scratches and dings from the lighter stuff to protect the paint, which is a really good product. I love it. It's super easy install. It's just a bunch of buttons. Then there's a whole bunch of panels, and each panel's got a whole series of buttons. You just pretty much thoroughly clean and disinfect the area. There's a little sticky something. You peel them all off, and then you stick the panel after lining it up, and it's an easy remove and reinstall after those initial anchors are set in place. Like I said, as soon as I got a link, I'll drop it for you. It's currently made for JLs. Coming soon, it's going to be JTs, Broncos, and a future JKs. But so far, everything looks good. We had a really good time testing their product. They actually let us keep their product for volunteering our day. So all in all, it was still a win. We were able to help out somebody with their company, and they gave us free product for the whole test. And hopefully this can turn into a beautiful partnership where we can actually get a sponsor out of this company for the club. But right now, I'm going to bid you good night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And of course, join us on all our social platforms. Don't forget to visit us on www.defiantjeep.club, where you can find all of your Jeep performance accessories, camping gear, and other merch. We love to see you on the trail.